Hey, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative. Today we're using WD-40 again, showing you another application that we can use it for. Take some, put it directly on your cloth. In this case, we use an old sock that we keep in a can. You can check out some of my other videos on the channel where we've used WD-40 on numerous things around the house and around the property. Today we've got just an old deck box on our patio that the top is kind of faded and discolored and a little bit dirty. So we're also going to just spray the top down really good with some WD-40, get it all good and coated like this, and then take our rag and go back and just start working it in and cleaning it really well. And you can see how it's kind of bringing it back to life, and it's going to protect it. It's going to help waterproof it a little bit, and it's just going to make it a lot better looking overall. And you can see how it already looks better. And if you don't already know, you need to check out our website, the DIYcollaborative.com, where we talk about what the name of this product actually means. And I'll give you a little clue right now. It actually has to do with the recipe. It was the 40th attempt at creating this product that they finally decided, hey, that's going to be WD-40. So check it out. Give this a try, and be sure and check out our channel to see some of our other videos and see how we use WD-40 around our property.